How do I know if my key fob battery is low? Hey guys. In today's video, I will show you how to test a key fob battery with a multimeter. With this key fob, I'm able to remotely unlock and lock my car. I can also start my car with a key fob. It's very convenient. However, I noticed that I can't unlock or lock my car anymore with this key fob. Using a multimeter, we can check if the key fob battery is low. The first thing we want to do is remove the battery from the key fob. Pull out the silver key while pressing the lock on the back of the key fob. Pull apart the key fob by exerting force with your thumbs on the small opening. To remove the battery, use a small Phillips screwdriver. As you can see, this is a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Now it's time to check the voltage of this battery. Since this is a 3-volt battery, you can set the dial on the multimeter to 4 in the DC voltage setting. Touch the black probe to the negative terminal and the red probe to the positive terminal. The positive terminal on the battery is marked with a plus symbol. From the voltage reading, we can't tell if the battery is low. To fully test this battery, put it under a load condition. To do so, connect a resistor and have current flow through it. You can read voltage as the current flows through the resistor and the battery. In this example, the resistor is around 100 ohms. Use alligator clips to connect the resistor to the battery. Connect the alligator clips to the probes. Touch the probes to each terminal of the battery. As you can see, the reading is much lower than the 3 volts. Now let's compare the voltage with a new battery. The left side is the old battery and the right side is the new battery. The voltage of the old battery has a slightly lower voltage. Similar to the old battery, we need to put this new battery under a load condition. We will use the same configuration. As you can see, the reading is closer to the 3 volts. Since we have confirmed the old battery is low, we will replace it with a new battery and test out the key fob again. Put the new battery in the key fob. Align the front and back together. Push hard until you hear a click. Do it on all sides. Test the key fob is working by pressing the unlock and lock. You should hear your car unlocking its doors. I hope this video has shown you how to test a key fob battery with a multimeter.